come there. Yes. Okay. This door.
Basket!
Basket center.
Sir, which one long? Must check also this one.
Yes. Okay. We have now winners. Okay, this door. Kuwait Road. Kuwait Road. Green and then start from here. Okay. Kuwait Road is start from here. Wait. Which door is one? The first store that we're going to have is this one. This one. First at one. First store. Later give me your bus number. And second store we have is this one. Hamza. We have third one. It's okay. It's okay. No hard feeling. We have that. Please store. The third one that we're going to have is the basket one.
Yeah!